Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to integrate Make to AEvent. And to do that, we will be needing three things. To start, I'll be showing you how to get your API token, your environmental URL, and then your team ID. So let's log into your Make account. Once you are logged in, from here, you just have to go to your profile, click on this one from the upper right and then go to profile. Once there on the left hand side, click on API access. And from here, click on add token from the upper right hand side and just select the scope that you want for this API token. So selecting all and then label it event API token. Once you're satisfied, just click on add and then it will show up on the list of your tokens. You just have to click on copy to clipboard and make sure that you save it somewhere easily accessible. Once that is done, what the next thing we will be getting is your environmental URL. So to get that, just click on organizations here from the left hand side. Let's look at the address bar. If you look here, you'll see the first part of the URL. So this will be your environmental URL, us2.make.com. Copy that as well and save it somewhere easily accessible like a notepad. And then next we will be getting your team ID. So for that one, just click on the organization that you belong to. So let's click on this one. And once it loads, just look at the address bar again. Just get the numeric value from there. So for this one, this would be my team ID. So copy that, paste it somewhere accessible. Since we already have all those three information that we need to integrate Make to AEvent, let's go ahead and log in to our AEvent account. Once you are logged into your AEvent account, click on integrations here from the left hand side menu and then just click on add integration from the upper right hand side and then let's search for Make. Here it is. If you click on this drop down arrow, you'll see here that this is the only timeline action that you can do using this integration. But for this video, we will be adding the integration. So just click on the add integration button and then label it however you want. Make sure that it is easily identifiable in case you need to integrate another Make account to your AEvent account. Once you're satisfied with the label, just click on Connect. And this is where we will be prompted for the API token, the environmental URL, and then the team ID. So let's enter those information. Once you have those information entered, just click on Continue. By the way, this field here that says key, it's only required for custom applications. Now, you saw earlier it popped up that we have successfully connected it. The next thing that we need to do is make sure that there's good connection or that we have established connection between the two applications. So let's go ahead and check that. Let's look for Make. Let's click on Test, and we should get a pop-up confirming that there is good connection between the two application AEvent and Make. That would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.